Nobody really wants to be doing videos. Everybody's scared about, oh, I'm not going to come across professional, or what other people think of them, and what cam should I get, what fancy lighting. So I thought I'd do a behind the scenes video of how you can do it, yeah? All you need to do is find yourself a window with a little ledge, put it on, potentially get rid of some of your beard dandruff. Are you bothered about the background? Not really, but that lighting, yeah? So today I'm going to imagine that I'm a hair salon. So I'm Tim, welcome to Marner Mains, and I get a lot of people asking me about the condition of my hair and how to get this glow. I use this product. Yeah, it's a really, really nice serum, yeah? Really easy to apply. Yeah, just put it on, dead easy, leave it 20 minutes, wash it off, and then you've got yourself a beautiful booth on. If anybody's interested or they want some advice on how to do the hair, please get in touch with me. That sanitizer. Oh.